Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we will be solving the homework questions of plus 2's formula, okay? B-row we already did in class. Since it was little difficult, so I did with you in the class, and A-row was easy, so I gave you as homework. But many of you might be facing problem in A-row as well, so we are doing the A-row solutions, okay? So those of you who were facing problem, they can refer to today's class, okay? Now, we are going to solve the A row and we will be solving it with the plus 2's formula. Means wherever I won't be able to do plus 2, I will not have enough bits left to do plus 2. I will apply the formula of 2, that is plus 5 minus 3. So let's start. First question, plus 1 plus 2 again 2. Do I have beats for 2? No, no beats here, right? So my formula for 2 will be plus 5 minus 3. Okay, what did I do when I didn't have beats for 2? I did plus 5 minus 3, that is the formula of 2. Why 5 minus 3 is formula of 2? Because 5 minus 3 is what? 2 only. So 2 equals to 2. Since I am not able to add 2 directly, I am adding it indirectly. Okay. Next question. 2, 1, 2. Do I have beats for 2? No. So my formula of 2 plus 5 minus 3. My answer is 5. Next, 2, again 2, again 2. Do I have beats for 2? No. So my formula for 2 is plus 5 minus 3. My answer is 6. Next, okay. Now next, 3 plus 1 plus 2. Do I have beats for 2? No. So my formula for 2 is plus 5 minus 3. My answer is 6. Next, 1, 3, 2. No beats for 2, so my formula is plus 5 minus 3. My answer is 6. Okay. So we have a pattern of 5 and 6, right? Okay. So I hope it was clear, guys. Now, A row's solution is also done. B row we did in the class. Now, you guys are supposed to do both A and B row in practice, okay? Without looking at the solutions. Then you can check with the answers in the video. Okay. Bye. I'll see you in the next class.